Magnitude of mental health problem is colossal across the world. According to a modest assessment, 1 to 2% of the global population are suffering from severe mental illnesses and around 20% people need mental health care. India is no exception. Still, mental health has always been a low priority in the existing healthcare delivery system of our country. It is evident that facilities for rehabilitation for the mental patients is almost non-existent in our country. Since its inception in the year 1991, SEVAK has been implementing a multidimensional mental health project putting emphasis on the uninterrupted treatment, rehabilitation and human rights promotions of the persons with mental illness coming from the disadvantaged sections of the population. It is evident that a sizable number of mental patients live in a subhuman state across the country. As for instance, many mental patients still languish in different shrines in the name of faith healing. Some of them also remain in chain. We brought some of these people under the purview of psychiatric care and made them unchained and mainstreamed through Operation Commitment Project. Two salient components of our project is to run a 100-bedded mental health facility and rehabilitation center. We take care of the acute and severely ill mental patients in our mental health facility. In this context, it is noteworthy that Clubhouse model is an internationally accepted and World Health Organization approved work therapy based rehabilitation model for the persons who suffer from severe mental illnesses. This model is being practiced in 32 countries across the world. SEVAK has adopted this model. So, our rehabilitation center is also known as SEVAK Clubhouse. It is the only accredited clubhouse in Indian subcontinent. Members of our clubhouse come from varied socio-economic and education background. They participate in the activities in different units according to their choice. Please meet the members of our clubhouse.
Hi! Welcome to the SEVAK Clubhouse. We are the members of the SEVAK Clubhouse family. We are very happy here. It is our own place. SEVAK has opened up a new avenue in our own lives. Please pay a visit to our SEVAK Clubhouse. Thank you.
Hi, I am Soma. I am a member of SEVAK Clubhouse since its inception. Our clubhouse has brought qualitative changes in our lives. We are all equivalent to our fellow citizens and lead a dignified life. Thanks to our clubhouse community. Thanks to all of you.
Precisely the ambience which we have created at SEVAK cannot be easily found elsewhere. But we are sorry to say that only due to the dearth of adequate financial support, it has been very difficult for us to run the show. Hence, we request all benevolent individuals and institutions to extend support to enable us to continue our work for the persons with mental illness.